Hello staff, I'm creating a short video to outline STAR 360 Renaissance and how to use the STAR report within your SPED forms to look at the progress of students. So once you log in, you will see this. We will go, just for the sake of it, we'll look under STAR Reading, but it can be done under STAR Reading and Math. You go down to Reports, and in here you will see many different reports you can look at. But the one report that we'll be focusing on today will be the STAR Test Record Report. So when you click on here, I've already created one. This is where you can look at the math or the reading. For this case, like I said, I'm going to look at STAR Reading. You will use the STAR Reading Enterprise Assessment. That's what we give here at the middle school, high school. In here, you will only see yours classes that are assigned to you. Here I have Katie Lavin's caseload that she had already asked me to create for her. This is where you can look at it for every single STAR test that they've ever taken. You go under here, click All Time, and when you click on Update Report, you will see all the reports that they have ever taken, all the STAR tests that they have ever taken since they have been here at Yellow Medicine East. So if you have any questions, please let me know how I can help.